A steam mop is an effective tool for killing germs and bacteria without using harsh chemicals. These appliances can remove stains, get rid of grime, and deep clean your floors with little effort on your part. To find the best steam mops, we found popular models in our lab and evaluated each on its ease of use, effectiveness, portability, ease of cleaning, maneuverability, and value. We also considered factors such as cord length, weight, and steam output. You can remove up to 99% of germs using a steam cleaner with a reusable microfiber cloth. I will leave links in the description and you can check them at the latest price. At the conclusion of the video, I also included my favorite steam mop. Starting our list with the Reliable Pronto Plus 300 CS 2-in-1 Steam Cleaner. The Reliable Pronto Plus 300 CS 2-in-1 Steam Cleaner is a versatile cleaning solution that combines the convenience of a handheld steam cleaner and a steam mop in a single device. With a power output of 1200 watts, it is equipped to handle various cleaning tasks with ease. At a quick glance, this reliable steam mop could almost pass for a stick vacuum. This steam cleaner has a weight of approximately 10.23 pounds. The removable water tank and motor are up top and attached to an almost 4-foot extension pole with a triangular cleaning head and microfiber pad. We found it produced abundant steam, heated up quickly, and was easy to fill, use, and maneuver into corners and low places other mops cannot reach. The removable handheld unit on top is well designed for cleaning tile, faucets, grills, and more. With this array of brushes and adjustable steam levels, you will find many of your own uses for it. The Pronto comes with a wall-mountable caddy that holds the steamer, an accessory bag of attachments, and has a wrap for winding the cord. It is a reliable and efficient steam cleaning solution that simplifies your cleaning tasks, ensuring a clean and hygienic living environment. The number 2 is the Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop. The Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Steam Vacuum Cleaner. It's a versatile and pet-friendly cleaning solution that not only keeps your floors spotless but also contributes to a meaningful cause. With a weight of 13 pounds, it is a manageable and efficient cleaning tool. The Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Steam Vacuum Cleaner package includes a microfiber soft pad, a microfiber scrubby pad, a detachable mop pad tray, a detachable steam boost tray, and a generous supply of 10 Bissell Steam Boost disposable pads. Use it just as a vacuum for dry debris like pet hair, as a steam mop to wet clean and sanitize, or as both at the same time. And because dry pickup stays separate from the wet dispensing, there is no mess inside the machine. The dust cup is super easy to empty without getting your hands dirty, and in our GH cleaning lab tests, the Bissell was easy to use and maneuver, lightweight, and comfortable to hold. We especially like that it comes with both reusable microfiber pads and disposable pads for cleaning up super icky messes, and has multiple levels of on-demand steam. If you're looking for one appliance to both vacuum and steam clean your floors, the Bissell Symphony Pet is a perfect choice. The number 3 Bissell Power Fresh Deluxe Steam Mop. The Bissell Power Fresh Deluxe Steam Mop is a dependable and pet-friendly cleaning companion for your home. The Bissell Power Fresh Deluxe Steam Mop is a powerful cleaning solution with a wattage of 12 watts designed to efficiently tackle your cleaning needs. Weighing in at a lightweight 6.2 pounds, it is easy to maneuver and handle, ensuring a convenient and hassle-free cleaning experience. We like its slim body design for easy storage and large cleaning head to cover more ground with each pass. Tough stuck on dirt is easy to tackle with the all-in-one Spot Boost Scrub Brush. Simply step down on the foot pedal to remove the steamer from the head, revealing the Spot Boost brush underneath. This mop kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria without relying on harsh chemicals. We like that you do not have to swap attachments here, especially when you are cleaning grout. For added freshness, fragrance discs come with this steamer. Slip them into the head or microfiber pad to add a subtle, yet noticeable scent to your room. Choosing this cleaning solution enhances your living space. The number 4 is the Shark Liftaway Pro Steam Pocket Mop. This Shark does double duty as a steam mop and above-the-floor steam cleaning tool. In mopping mode, it works with adjustable continuous steam and has a steam blaster nozzle for zapping stuck-on stains without having to stop cleaning to scrub them. Other helpful add-ons include a triangular scrubber head, a soft microfiber pocket pad for delicate surfaces, and a double-sided mopping pad for more cleaning time between pad changes. They can be changed hands-free for less mess. The steam mop is a lightweight and versatile cleaning solution, weighing approximately 7 pounds. To maintain the reusable dirt grip pads, simply machine wash them separately with warm water and liquid detergent, while avoiding the use of bleach and fabric softeners to ensure their longevity. The number 5 is the Shark S1000 Steam Mop. The Shark S1000 Steam Mop is a convenient and efficient cleaning tool designed to simplify your cleaning routine. Weighing in at just 4.6 pounds, the Shark S1000 Steam Mop is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and clean even tight spaces and areas around furniture with ease. This steam allows you to effortlessly clean and sanitize your floors with just water. Just snap the pole and top handle into place and fill the tank to use. The water tank is removable for easy filling at the sink, and the steam is dispensed on demand when you want it. it. With a quick 30-second heat-up time, you can have on-demand steam at your disposal, providing quick and efficient cleaning results when you need them. This steamer locks in the upright position for easy storage, and the 18-foot cord means no corner is out of reach. Our tests on the original Shark Steam mop prove it to be a good, easy-to-use mop at a reasonable price. The Shark S1000 Steam Mop features an XL water tank, allowing you to clean more floors without frequent interruptions. The innovative machine washable dirt grip pads included with the mop provide excellent absorption and added scrubbing power for dealing with stuck-on dirt and debris. They can be reused, making them a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice. Overall, the Shark Lift-Away Pro Steam Pocket Mop stands out as a versatile and efficient option. This steam mop is designed to handle tough stains on floors. Ultimately, the best steam mop for you will depend on your specific cleaning needs, whether you prioritize versatility, lightweight design, or the ability to handle pet-related messes. Consider your cleaning requirements and choose the one that aligns best with your preferences.